Welcome to lesson 4, where we're going to explore heat and temperature a little bit more. We learned in the last lesson that heat and temperature are not exactly the same thing, that it really depends on the amount of material as to how much of a temperature change you'll see. So today we're going to get a little bit more mathy about this. So if you don't have one with you right now, I want you to run and grab a calculator and of course get your notes. And I would recommend today to do your notes on paper and upload them as an image because we're going to have some math example problems. So if you don't have those things, pause the video and go get them. The other thing that you should know is even though we're going to be doing calculations of how much heat is absorbed, we're only going to be looking at it in terms of water. Partially because those are the examples we've been doing, right? And we are going to use our prior examples as sort of the basis of the math we learned today. But of course, water isn't the only thing that gets hot or gets cold. You can imagine that, if you sat a black car out on a summer day and you went and you put your hand on the hood, it would be so hot. So everything that we're going to learn today can be applied to other things like metals as well. But today we're going to focus only on warming up and cooling down water. Now, before we get to a formula, and this is not the formula down here, this is just going to help us think through our formula. But before we get to our formula, we've got to make sure that we know the symbol and the unit for these three things: heat, temperature, and mass. So I want you to write these three in your notes, write symbol, write unit, and I want you to fill these in as much as you can. What is the symbol for each one and what are the units? So pause the video here and do that.